Welcome to the world of phonics. We are learning basic sounds. Vowel sounds are also called diphthongs. A. Father, singer, mother, dancer, farmers, worker, her, term, over. He is my father. He is a singer. She is my mother. She is a dancer. They are farmers. He is a worker. Her name is Anu. My term is over. Al. Seagull, dull, lull, skull, hull, cull, null. Seagull flies. Tara is not dull. Lull the baby. Brain in the skull. Hit the hull. Cull from Hindi. Null the signal. A. Birthday. Sir. Dirty. Shirt. Skirt. Bird. Chirping. First. Happy birthday to you. May I come in, sir? A dirty dress. My shirt is clean. A girl's skirt. Bird is flying. It is chirping. My first book. A. Turn, curve, burns, hurt, curly, curd, blur, burrow. Please turn. That is a curve. Fire burns everything. It will hurt me. He has curly hair. Give me curd rice. It's blurred, not clear. Rabbit is in the burrow.
Like, share, subscribe.